Welcome to Milak Online Tutorial. Before us is this math question in the series of WASSCE GC November December 2022. Question number 8. Alright, and it says the fourth and the 10th terms of an arithmetic progression are 13 and 31 respectively. Find the 21st term. Alright, and we know that the equation that connect the number of terms, the first term and the common difference is given as this equation. All right, now from the question, the fourth term, let's find the fourth term here, replacing n here for 4 here, which is a is our first term, is not given. Now n, which is our first term, is given, so 4 minus 1. The common difference d is not given, so equals, we are told, is 13. So at the end of the day, simplifying further, we have that a equals to 4 minus 1 is 3, then d equals to 13. That leads us to equation 1. Then solving for the 10th term, now this will give us a, see, following the same rule, n minus 1, then d equals 31. Alright, so here we have that a plus 9d equals 31. So now we can see here, it actually led us to a simultaneous equation. The first one is, okay, let's bring the second one here. First one, a plus 3d equals 13. Alright, now since this has led us to simultaneous equation, so what we're going to do now is to eliminate a particular unknown to get the other unknown. And since the coefficient of these two are the same, so we can just eliminate a. Alright, by elimination, we'll subtract. A minus a will give us 0. Now we have plus. Now 9 minus 3, 9d minus 3d will give us 6d. Then 31 minus 13. Now this will give us 18. Alright, in the same vein here, now we can come over here. So we have 6d equals 18. Now dividing both sides, we have 6. So our d here will give us 3. So the common difference is 3. Now let us now input the value of d into either of this equation. This number 2 and number 1. Okay, so taking let us use equation a. So here you have a plus 3 now into 3, because our d is 3, now 13. So here we have that a plus 9 equals 13. Alright, let us subtract 9 from both sides here. So here we have that a plus 9 minus 9 equals to 13 minus 9. This, we get rid of this, so at the end of the day, our a here, 13 minus 9, should give us 4. Alright, now that we've gotten the value of a and d, let us now find the 21 term. From using the same formula here, we have 21. So we have our a. Okay, let me just do it like this first. Then 21 minus 1, then d. Okay, so from here you have 21. Then our a here is 4. Now plus 20 times, then our d is 3. So here we have 4 plus 20 times 3 is 60. So yeah, when you add this one, we have was 64. Alright, this is the final answer to this solution. You can see how simple it is. If you love what I've just done, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that I'll be uploaded on this channel. Thank you and God bless you.